Everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about how you can solve the Bluetooth issue in your device VIVO T1 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move towards our today's video. If you are having any issue regarding your Bluetooth, it is not turning or it is not connecting, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in my this video in your device VIVO T1 5G. So just watch the video and follow the steps. Now let's watch it.